Chinese Camp Elementary is located in Sonora, California. This rainwater to irrigation project provides an experiential learning opportunity at this science curriculum elementary school. Rainwater is captured off of the 2 downspouts from the building, reusing approximately 6,000 gallons per year during average rainfall. Water from the rain tank is used to irrigate the school's vegetable beds and 5 new shade trees, conserving 28,000 gallons annually. Being located at the hottest location in Tuolumne County, trees will help mitigate extreme heat during droughts without an increase in water consumption. Installation was completed by local and AmeriCorps volunteers with guidance from Watershed Progressive. Educational signage was designed to teach students the value of rainwater harvesting and its multi-benefits.